Hey ladies and gentlemen, how are you? Are you fine? Good afternoon, I've said. This is Jaragosa talking to you on Gorof TV. You are very welcome, actually very welcome for joining me and for watching this YouTube video. I have recently uploaded. Thank you very much. And again, I wish you have already subscribed, but if you haven't, it's the time now. Just press the subscribe down there. That red shit, press it and it automatically subscribes and you get the notification every time that I upload this sort of video. Thank you very much. You are very welcome. Stay tuned. So what I'm going to talk about is today it's about the like a blessing we have in Borana community. So I met a guy who tried to translate this sort of blessing. So he translated the blessing to a form of like to English. I mean, like in a Oromo originally we have warinaga, warinaga, marinaga, barinaga, libanaga, libangulbadidinaga, drenaga, and it continues and it proceeds with that. So he changed to English and said, family is peace, village is peace, relatives are peace, Liban is peace, Dire is peace, 9 tulas are peace, 3 forests are peace, 3 bogas are peace, Arerogoro is peace, Goro of Borana is peace, Ya and Yuba are peace, Husa are peace, land and soil are peace, door is peace, where we are is peace, going out is peace, coming home is peace. We are the people of Dreti, whose front and back are peace. We are the people of Barento, whose morning and evening are peace. We are people of Guto, whose peace increases tremendously. We are the people of Ashane, who always talk about peace. Live on your livestock, milk your own, send your own, be rich and lead the family, live long and be Gadamoji. He blessed, he narrated like that. And so it's actually interesting. So I enjoyed it, by the way. So thank you very much. I will be uploading this kind of video. Just you will be enjoying, I hope. Thank you very much.